Preparing for your 10th standard exams just got much easier with AI. Open your browser and go to NotebookLM. If you don't have NotebookLM, you can also open Google Gemini and select Notebook. Sign in with your Google account. Click Create New Notebook. Here, you can upload your study files or simply add a website link to create your notebook. Now, let's go to Google. Search for NCERT Class 10 Chapter 10 Lite PDF and download the chapter from the official NCERT website. Now, upload the chapter PDF and give your notebook a name. NotebookLM will now generate a summary of the chapter. You can explore further by clicking any of the suggested questions below or asking your own. If you'd like to listen instead of read, click Generate Audio Overview. NotebookLM will create a podcast-style conversation that explains the chapter in a simple and engaging way, making revision easy anytime, anywhere.
To see, well, absolutely everything around us, right? But if you actually stop and think about what light is,
you can also generate an audio overview in multiple languages. Let's see how to create one in Hindi.
पेश है प्रकाश के परावर्तन और अपवर्तन पर हमारे स्रोतों का एक त्वरित सार। आप जानते हैं, तारों के टिमटिमाने से लेकर हमारी गाड़ियों के शीशे और आंखों के चश्मों तक सब कुछ बस इसी बात पर टिका है कि प्रकाश किसी सतह।
You can create slide decks and video overviews in different formats. You can also use flashcards, quizzes, data tables, and infographics to make learning and remembering the subject easier. Let's explore each feature one by one and take a closer look at the output it generates. See how neatly it has created the slides, complete with detailed explanations. They're presentation ready, so you can use them directly in your class without any additional preparation. These flashcards are a great way to test your knowledge. Each card presents a question, and with a single tap, you can reveal the answer. If you'd like to understand why that answer is correct, simply click *explain* to get a detailed explanation. It's a fast and effective way to learn, revise, and remember concepts. Let's see how the quiz works. You can use it to practice everything you've learned so far. Answer the questions, check your understanding, and reinforce key concepts. It's a simple and effective way to test your knowledge and build confidence before moving on. NotebookLM automatically creates a concise overview, highlighting the most important ideas, key points, and takeaways with images. It's perfect for getting a quick understanding before diving deeper into the material. The mind map feature in NotebookLM helps you visualize the structure of your content. It automatically organizes the main topics and subtopics into a connected diagram, making it easier to see how ideas relate to one another. You can explore each branch to understand concepts, navigate large documents quickly, and simplify even the most complex subjects. NotebookLM also makes collaboration easy. You can share your notebook with friends, classmates, or colleagues so everyone can learn from the same content. You can even ask someone to create a notebook for you and share it, making it simple to collaborate, study together, and exchange knowledge. NotebookLM costs as little as 100 rupees a month. Any student can afford it. If you're a student and you're not using NotebookLM yet, You're making studying much harder than it needs to be. Subscribe for more AI tips made just for you.